I'm Prophet Tatra, and I just want to say welcome to my channel.
𝐂𝐈𝐓𝐇. Aluminum. I'm accidentally grabbing people. I'm not realizing it. I swear. Let me go.
I made it. Come on, I see you.
Okay, what was that?
Try and win. Try and win.
Guys.
Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump.
GG.
Oh,
Holy fuck. Who did that one? Show yourself. I have me wits. Me wits about me now. Yeah, we'll get one over there and one there and fuck these two people up and then yeah, but just like that. And that's how you do it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you play.
just straight up naval warfare. There shouldn't be any islands or anything.
Every time you say that, I just picture a belly button warfare. Okay, here's my joke. Hey guys, the joke is my boss told me to have a good night. Wait, I fucked it up. Can I start over? Hold on. Boss told me to have a good day, so I went home. Can we get some hype in the chat? Keep going. We are ready for you. If you look in the chat, there's tons of hype for you. Tons. Okay, you see that hype? That's all for you.
I bid farewell to the port and the land, and I paddle away from brave England's white sentinel test to find promise and peace and the solace of rest.
Ow, ow! Good job! Look at you go! League that man!
Thank you for watching, and I hope that I get to see you around.